गवर्नमेंट के thrust पिछले 10 सालों में has been so magnificent that India's renewable energy capacity had shot up. In fact, it was almost close to our non-renewable, yani fossil fuel capacity. New data came in for the first half of 2025. पहले 6 महीनों में इंडिया के यूटिलिटीज इंक्लूडिंग रिन्यूएबल्स का शेयर 236 terawatt hours तक पहुंच गया, which is 20% more than what it was in the same first half of 2024. Yes, that is a fantastic increase. एक साल में 20% की वृद्धि, and fossil fuel based generation in fact fell by 4%. So yes, the installed capacity data is now clearly translating into generation data, which is very, very excellent. India has always been coal dependent. It's also been import dependent on gas for its gas based power. All this said, this wonderful generation from renewable has really helped bring down, besides emissions, also long-term cost. The 29% increase in wind generation to 47 terawatt hours, 25% increase in solar generation, including nuclear went up 14%, and monsoon months में अभी second half of the year में July, August, September we will see a lovely jump in hydro generation. All this put together, our fossil fuel generation is going down. Time to realign our positions in the power generation space. Yours truly owns different positions in generators like NTPC. It also owns small bits of GNDC, NLC, which are also lignite based companies. Time to start realigning. In fact, market से एक कदम आगे रहकर, because markets discount the future, it's time for us to be one step ahead. Time to book profits a bit in GMDC, NLC, and try to nibble a bit of stake in renewable generators.